Today we're going to be learning how to upload custom sounds just using your phone. And this is with all free apps. There's little tricks because there's watermarks and there's a little other things that I will show you how to get around. But first, let's download the app. It's called Filmora Go. You first download this, and then we're going to get into the tutorial. All right, let's go. First things first, you're going to load up Filmora Go. Once you have this loaded, you're going to press Create New. When you're on this screen, pick a photo to upload. A photo has no sound tied to it, so you can add music easily without doing any extra work that you don't want to do. Once you're on this screen, the next step is to add a photo. Now, each photo you add gives you a maximum of 10 seconds. So if you want a minute clip, you got to add 6. If you want 15 seconds, you need at least 2 photos. Next is what you press is next. You'll have these 2 photos up. Now, before you go automatically to music, don't do that yet. You're going to want to set the time of how long your clip is going to be first before you add the sound. If you do it backwards, the sound's going to cut out. So I'm going to make this an exactly 15-second clip. So I'm going to select the first picture. I'm going to click it, and it's going to give you all these options. What you have to do is just click duration and drag that blue bar that's in the middle all the way to the right. And now it's going to say 10 seconds and go all the way up to OK. And now you're going to see the total project after you press OK twice is going to say 15 seconds. Next step is to add the music you want to add, press music. And then on the bottom left-hand corner, you got to press that circle plus button. Once you're on this page, you can pick whatever song you want. I'm going to click one that is non-copywritten, okay? So song idea, right? And you could hear that, right? I don't want it to start there. I want this to be my custom starting point. Okay, so I'm going to select a random spot. And now I'm going to make it a total of exactly how long my video is. 15 seconds, right? There we go. It's going to start there and it's going to end there. After you select where you want it to be, press OK. And then press OK again. And then that's it. You're done. That is literally it. You can listen to it to preview it, but you really don't have to if you already listen to the music. You're done. Now what we do is we press save. The project's going to save. When you're saving, you might notice there's some things added at the end. That is Filmora Go's watermark. You can get rid of that as soon as you're uploading it to TikTok. So once you're on this screen after it renders, you save it to camera roll. Now my photo's saved to camera roll. What we're going to do next is upload this to TikTok. All right, so I'm going to exit out because you're done with that program. You're done. You're pretty much got this done. You know what to do. You're going to select what you want to upload it, which is this one. Share it directly to TikTok. And then TikTok's going to load the adjust clip of how long you want it. So this was a 15-second clip, right? So let's just adjust this directly to, say on the bottom left, 15 seconds. Right? Ta-da! We're done. Now we're going to press next. You're going to listen to it. You can see that it's right. Okay, good. You got your custom sound. You're done. Next. Now, this one I'm going to put on private, but after you post it, all you got to do is grab it. I would recommend doing this on an alt account. So you search your alt account. You select that song because you can put on your alt account as a public video that no one will really find because there's no hashtags, there's no comment, and that song's not related to anything. You click it, load it up, and there you go. You got your custom sound using free apps and your phone. All right, that's the guide. I hope this helped you out. If you got any ideas or comments, please hit my comments below. I'm running out of ideas and I need some ideas. Well, peace out and have a good time and keep on TikToking. Peace.